Well, hello there. Mr. Brown here. I was supposed to meet Mrs. Cotton Candy, but I don't think she's coming today. What a real shame. I wanted to meet her. Oh. Anyways, I'm Mr. Brown, and I have some coffee drinks I'd like to share with you and do some taste tests on. So I hope you will come and join me. The first one I have is Mr. Brown Cappuccino. The next one I have is Mr. Brown Mountain Blend. And the last one I have is Mr. Brown Iced Coffee. They are selling my drinks at the Canadian Dollar Tree. So let's go and have a little taste, shall we? So, the first one we're going to try is, let me see, how about we try the Mr. Brown Cappuccino. So let's try this, okay? Cheers! I like that. Yummy. This is Mr. Brown's Cappuccino. Now we will try the Blue Mountain Blend. I gave it a shake. That is what it looks like. Cheers! This tastes like coffee, like real strong coffee. This is an iced coffee Blue Mountain Blend, and it tastes like it. It does taste like it. Let's go to the last and the final Mr. Brown Iced Coffee. Mr. Brown's Iced Coffee. Tastes like coffee. Tastes like a iced coffee from Mr. Brown's. Cheers. So those are all three of my Mr. Brown's coffees. Iced coffee, cappuccino, and Blue Mountain Blend. Now, I was told by Mrs. Cotton Candy that she likes to review and rate what she is tasting or trying. So, I will now rate these three coffee drinks. 10 being awesome. 1 being... So I would give these three drinks, I would give them a 7 out of 10 and possibly an 8. Yes, you heard that correctly. Possibly an 8. If you love coffee, I think you would enjoy these. If you do not like coffee, you would not enjoy these because they're very kind of a strong coffee taste. Now, if I were to choose my favorite one, it would have had to be the cappuccino out of the 3. So I hope that helps you out. Thank you all so very much for joining me here today. And it was a real shame that Mrs. Cotton Candy was not able to join us. But maybe another time. But thank you all for coming and for taste testing my Mr. Brown's drinks. And in Mrs. Cotton Candy's fashion, we will say, believe in yourself. I believe in you. And you truly will go far. Ta-ta! Ta-ta for now, and thank you for all your wonderful support and for watching.